Hey everyone, I'm back, and today I'm testing out something that might just make your cleaning a whole lot easier. This is the Airrobo Electric Spin Scrubber, and it's designed to tackle all those tough jobs, from floor corners to ceiling molding, without all the bending and scrubbing by hand. I've been using it around the house, and I'm honestly impressed with how powerful and convenient it is. The Airrobo comes with 6 different brush heads, so you can handle just about any kind of surface. You get a large flat brush for floors and walls, a smaller flat brush for tight spots, a cone brush for corners and grout, a sponge brush for delicate areas, a cloth brush for polishing, and a scouring pad for tough stuff like sinks and tile. I like that you could just pop one head off and switch to another one in seconds. Now, one of my favorite features is this adjustable handle. It extends from 11 inches all the way up to 47 inches, so you can clean high spots like crown molding or low spots like baseboards without kneeling or straining your back. I've been using it here on the ceiling and along the floor trim, and it makes a huge difference not having to climb up on a stool or bend down constantly. Before, after. It's got 2 speed settings, a low speed for light daily cleaning and a high speed for tougher stains. When I tested it here on some dried up food on the tile, the high speed really powered through it. You just hold the button and it spins fast enough to lift off the grime without damaging the surface. And check this out, it uses a USB Type-C charging port, the same type of cable that you already use for your phone or tablet. No extra cords or bulky chargers. The 4500 mAh battery gives you up to 300 minutes of cleaning time, which means you can get through your whole house on a single charge. Before, after. The Airrobo is also IPX7 waterproof, so it's totally safe to use in wet areas, like your bathroom or your shower. I've used it on the tiles, the tub, and even around the sink, and it just keeps going strong. The waterproof design gives you confidence that it won't short out, even if you accidentally splash it. Before, after. After using it on molding, floors, and the corners, everything looks cleaner and brighter. And honestly, it's kind of satisfying to watch it scrub away dirt on its own. It's lightweight, comfortable to hold, and very easy to maneuver. So it feels more like guiding a tool rather than doing hard labor. I love to use it on my car, especially since some of these heads are really soft for cleaning wheels, dashboards, and the trim without scratching it. That's another thing I love. This thing isn't just for your home. It's great for the car, kitchen, bathroom, or just about any surface that needs a good deep clean. Before, after. So if you're looking for a powerful, long-lasting, all-in-one electric scrubber that saves time and effort, the Airrobo Spin Scrubber is definitely worth checking out. I'll drop the Amazon link below so you can learn more and grab one for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.